6 Tips to Start a Relationship After a Long Time of Being Single. Although sometimes it seems that it drowns or tightens too much, no one dies of love. In all, and even in the worst conditions, you can overcome a love breakup. All you have to do is accept it and decide when you will start again. And I do not know if it happened to you, but there are times when nobody comes near you. You do not know if it's because of fear, insecurity, or even because they think you're too smart and beautiful, but it does not take a boy long to take that first step when you get 2, 3, 4 guys' interest in you. It's true. I know that starting a relationship after not having it for a long time is complicated, even more so when that person who was by your side was your best friend, your first boyfriend, your first husband, your first everything. Follow these tips that have helped women at the time of falling in love again. They will work for you. 1. Do not close the doors of your heart. Decide that it is time to meet new men, but do not close possibilities, because if you are looking for perfection, that explains why you are still single. It is not about you getting involved with the first guy that appears or that you have to endure injustices, but you have to give yourself the opportunity to judge beyond the physical. A person who does not look like a magazine cover model does not mean he does not have adorable feelings. Attentive, affectionate, supportive, humble, good conversationalist, value all those qualities. 2. First date. If you have already decided who will be the lucky one, do it right from the first date. Look for eye contact, show security, authentic connection that involves laughter and light friction to give him signs that you are interested in him. 3. Leave everything clear. Girls like you could have spent a long time alone, but do not have false expectations of that new person that came into your life. It is likely that he wants to spend time with you, wants to go out to eat on Fridays or Saturdays, then to go see a movie with you, and instead, you want to have your space of solitude. Speak about the topic from the beginning with him, because you do not want to have problems later. Everything is solved by talking, and if that is not what you want, continue in your facet of search. 4. Do not tell your intimacies. At least not for now. If the relationship works, it is logical that you will realize one another's relationships are secrets. Of course, you do not need to give a detailed biography in the first days because you don't want him to run away. Let him know that you are attracted to him, and so, gradually he will know more about you and you about him. 5. Be yourself. It is one of the best strategies. Be authentic in your words, smiles, and gestures will not be forced. Maybe the connection is much better than you imagined. It is better that he knows you as you are, so you will know if he will truly fall in love with you. 6. Pay attention. Not only play your tastes, emotions, interest. The other person has to feel 50% of that happiness for things to go on track. Ask him questions, get excited when he tells you something fascinating, and above all, make him note that what happened in the first time you went out still resonates in your memory. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap below to download this free ebook.